Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. This is Grace with the Grit. I film about faith, as you know, and I inspire people to be much more productive. Now I'm here to share an encouraging word with us again today. Now if this blesses you at the end of the video, make sure to like so that YouTube spreads it to other people, and also copy this link, send it to a friend. You will be blessing someone. A couple of days ago, I had a dream, and in this dream, I saw a lady that I, follow on Instagram. I just like her personality, what she represents, what she does. She's full of fire for Christ. She's got amazing kids. So she's a woman of God. She leads a group of people. She's a wife, she's a mother. And I am quite up to date with her posts and what she does on social media. So I saw this lady in my dream and I just wanted to talk to her. I had so much to say to her, and I knew that due to her ranking and what she does, she should be very, very busy. So I thought to speak very quickly. So I ran up to her and I was like, oh wow, congratulations. I just heard that you're pregnant and you're going to be giving birth very soon. Congratulations and all of that. And she was really excited. She said, thank you, thank you. And she was about to leave. And I said, no, there's something really bothering me. Can I share this with you if you don't mind? And she sat down. She said, yes, Grace, take your time. I'm all ears. So I sat down with her and I started to share some dreams I have had in the past with her. And I told this lady, oh, I've been having very funny dreams. I've been having, very similar dreams. They seem to kind of mean the same thing, but I'm not sure I understand. And I'm not sure I know what to do next. So I was kind of asking for advice from this woman, and I was really needing her help. I was like, if you can do anything right now, if you can just tell me what to do next, I will do it. So I was pouring out my heart to this lady and telling her there's so many dreams. I see myself here. I see myself doing these. These are the sort of results that I get. This is what people say about me. And then I remember she looked at me, she got up and she walked away. She didn't say a word. She walked away and I woke up from the dream. As soon as I woke up, the Lord started to talk to me. And what he said is, you do not need validation from men. I hope you caught that. You do not need any man to validate who you are, what you mean to him. If you need the meaning to his word, you need the meaning through any phase of your life you're going through right now. You need the meaning, of any dreams you've had, go to God directly. God began to tell me he should never be a plan B, okay? Now, he may have put some mentors in your life, and rightfully so, for you to learn from their experiences, for them to teach you, for you to rub minds with them. Only go to them if he has given you the go-ahead to actually go to them, right? Otherwise, you will be shortchanging yourself. He started to tell me, Grace, your validation does not lie in any man. It's not what another person would say about you that is true. It is what I say about you that is actually true, And I remember being so thankful for the meaning of this dream, because I believe it applies to one or two of you listening to me today. And this is just what God is saying. Come to me for direction. Come to me for help. Are you stuck at any phase? I'm willing to help. I am an abundance of help. That is what I carry. The reason is because I know what your future holds. So I know how to stretch my helping hand towards you. Do not be deceived or distracted by what, you see on the internet, on social media. I'm not saying these people are bad people. No, because I believe my spirit would not even have been led to her if she was actually a bad person. That is what I believe. So, but even so, go to God first. If he then decides to direct you to anyone, you can obey, or he might be willing to give you the answer directly by himself. Short word of encouragement. You do not deserve validation from men. Your validation and authenticity comes from God. I hope this has, I hope it just struck a chord in your spirit right now. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Remember to subscribe, but please share this with someone and help to bless someone else. And until I see you again, have a lovely, lovely day. Cheers.